Let me just overtake this car. Oh my god, bro, just got crashed. Bro, that car's definitely safe. Oh my god, bro. Sometimes what I think about is you like that. Oh my god, someone just crashed my car. Okay, it's still not broken. Bro, why is this car parked like this? Maybe some cars are gonna crash on it. Oh my god, that was so close. Oh my god, bro, I know that there's some cars that are gonna crash on it. Bro, we're actually parked. Bro, I know there's some cars that are gonna crash on it. Oh my god. Yeah, it was not the car that crashed. It was actually the car that was parked in the road. It's fault. Yeah, anyways, told you to crash. Bro, what was that for? Oh my god, someone just crashed in my car again. Bro, someone just actually crashed my car again. Bro, this was my only GTR. Oh my god. This costs so much. Oh my god. This is what it looks like. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, that just happened to my GTR. Oh my gosh, bro. Just my first car. I know it's really old, but I still love it. Just fresh air here. There's no AC here, but just get some fresh air. Oh my god, bro, what the heck, bro? Oh my god, just crash. No, this is my first car. I had a lot of hard work. Yeah, I had a lot of hard work by getting this car. Oh my gosh, bro. Oh no. This is my hard working car. It's also my first car. Now I just have to spend all my money again. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, someone just crashed into my car. My god, bro. Oh no, my god. Bro, what happened to the car crash? Bro, that was actually sick, bro. It's just my first time seeing a car crash like this. Oh my god. Just gonna have to pick up my friend here. Damn, bro, sick. I just saw a car crash. Hey, really, just show me the video. Okay, I'll show you later. Bro, wait, what happened to that car? Let's check it. Bro, let's go check it out. Wait. We're waiting for our other friend. Bro, that car just literally drift. Hey, yo. Hey, yo. Oh my god, bro, it crashed literally right there. Oh my god, bro, look at that. What the heck, bro? This is my fourth time seeing this car crash, bro.